Zelda, knock it off. Leave the derbs alone. This is the lunch crowd, or dinner crowd. There was more, but they went over to get the seed, I guess, instead of the bread. Here they come. Oh, we got a big male coming in. He thinks he's the coolest. Dude, it's over here. Did you guys throw some back there too? You guys getting the chickadees share over there? Yeah, you are. You're stealing the chickadees' food. You little poopies. Oh well. As long as you guys share. Lots of turkeys. The big male went to hide over there where the chickadees live, huh? Is he? Is he the same male that comes every day? Are you shy?